Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to design this form and print the full name. That is taking the input of the first name and then the last name and combined the two. So the first thing you have to do is you open your Visual Studio. So you can just type, so I have it here, my Visual Studio. So this is the interface that you're going to see when you launch your Microsoft Visual Studio. So the first thing you have to do is to create. So you can go through the same process again. Go to File, New, Project, Windows. Now we are going to change the name to what? Full Name App. And create that full name app. Now with the full name, you can see the design is a little bit different. We have two text boxes and two labels and two buttons. So the first thing is we need what? We need a button that is here. Then we need label. The label is also here. And we need a what? Text box. So just type text box and it will appear. Double click. Okay, so these are the things that we need. Two of them. So just Control C, Control V. This is our button. The same thing, Control C, Control V. This is our two buttons. And this one also, Control C, Control V, Control V, because we need to display the full name as well. I will do the design later. Okay, so we go through the same process again. So let's change the name. The name is going to be what? Full Name App. This level 3 is going to be what? First name. This is going to be, sorry, I double clicked. This is going to be what? Second name. And this one is going to be the what? Full name. This is going to be button what? This is show. Sorry, I double clicked again. And this is going to be what? Exit. Okay, now let's expand this a little bit. This as well. I think that's okay. So we have changed the appearance name. So let's change the name of the variables. Okay, that's within the code. So this one, scroll down and come to the design section. So this one is going to be our what? Form full name. Label first name. Label second name. Label full name. You come to the, this one is going to be text boxed. Text box. What is the first? Text box first name. text box second name, and I think I've done this one. So left with the button, so this one is going to be button show. The last one is going to be what? Button exit. Okay, so let's go into the code. When we click this button, we want this full name to be what is being entered here and here. We have to combine this first name and then the second name, and we have to display it as a full name. So in the place of the second name, we can change it to what? Let's say last name, right? I think that should be a good one. So let me change it to what? So this one should be, so I could leave it that way, but I think last name should be okay. Okay, so let's go to text. Yeah, I think this is more appropriate. So let's go to the code. When we click on this show, you have to add the last name and then the first name and then the last name, and display it here as a full name. So on click, we have the label of the full name and its property, that is the text, should be equal to the text box, whatever has been entered inside the text box of the first name, dot, we need that text. Okay, we need the text that has been entered, plus we have to add a space in case of anything, plus the text box with its text and we terminate. So what basically this code is saying is that the text of the label full name should be equal to the sum of the first name, the text box first name, whatever text that has been entered in that text box, plus the text that has been entered in the last name text box. Simple as that. I come to the design again, and this exists. You just want to close the window, so say this is dot what, close. Simple as that. In 10 minutes you come and build solution, successfully built, and you start. So first name, so we can say my name is what, Muhammad Ali. What is my last name? Mubarak. Sure, Muhammad Ali. You can erase Ali, last name is what? Sure. Simple as that. Now if you want, you can stay for the rest of the video, because I'm going to add another feature that's going to clear the text that is here, and I'm going to make some editing to the text and then the design of the window. So if you want, you can stay, but that's it for today's video. So I'm going to add another feature that's going to clear this text here. So I'm going to close this and come back to my designer tab, and now I need to add a clear button. So I need a button, so this button is going to be clear. So let me go back to my code. The text is going to be clear. And let me scroll down and come to the name, change it to button clear. When I click this place, this place should be empty. Whatever text in this place in the text box should be cleared. Simple as that. So I'm going to add the code to that one. So here on click the clear button, we are going to set the text box dot for first name. So text box first name, the text should be equal to empty. Just want the text box to be what? Empty. So I'm going to terminate. And also the text box of the last name, the text that is inside should be cleared. And I'm going to assign it to empty string. Simple as that. That's it. So I'm going to start my program and type Muhammad Ali and show Muhammad Ali and clear. So it has cleared. And I'm going to add another thing. So let's say here it should display that your full name is Muhammad Ali. So I'm going to come back to my designer. What is that? Come back to my designer close, and when I click on this show, I'm going to say I can actually add a string. It should be equal to a string. How am I doing? Should be equal to string, and then the string should say that your name is whatever that the person has, what is you have entered. Okay, so let me try it and see. Oh, your full name. Let me add your full name. Your full name is okay. Okay, so Muhammad Ali Mubarak. Okay, sure. Your full name is Muhammad Ali Mubarak. You see? Clear. And type Ali. Sure. Your full name is Ali Baba. And I clear. But when I clear, you see that it still says that your full name is Ali Baba, even though I have not entered anything here. So I have to what? Go and modify it. So let me use this exit. So on click, we have to set that is what level, what full name dot the text should be equal to what? Empty string as well. You feel me? So let me run it. Full name, okay? Ali Baba. Sure. Your full name is Ali Baba. When I click, everything disappears. But even the full name has disappeared. So if I want to bring it back again, what am I going to do? I want to put something here. So how am I going to do it? I don't know about that one. I've not figured that one out, but let me see. I'm just going to set this one, so I don't want it to disappear. So this one should, so changes are not allowed. I have not closed this one. Exit. Okay. So I don't want to set it to an empty string, okay? I should just send it to the previous one. Should equal to what? Label dot full name. Simple as that. Not a minute. Dot text. I forgot. Dot. It should just be the same text, right? I think that would do. So let me run it and see. Muhammad Ali. Sure. Your full name is Muhammad Ali. Clear. Still says your full name. I don't know about that one, but I have to figure it out. I don't know about that one. I have to figure it out. How am I going to make this one to be as this one? I don't know about this one. Maybe I'll do it later. I don't know. I've not figured it out yet, but I'll do it. Okay, so if you want to design, let's say the font or the color, so you come to still to the appearance section. So this is what for color. That is what the text. This is a font. So I want to change the font and make the font bold. Should be bold. Should be 12. Should be what? Lucia. So let me say Lucia. Lucia 12. Wow, it's too big. And still adjust. And don't do the same. 12. Clear. Changing the font. Changing the font. Lucia 12. I think this is okay. So let me change the show color to lines too much. Then clear. It should be red. Yeah. It should be white, but I don't know. 9 4 9 14. I think this is good or something like that. I don't know so far about that one. When I click on clear, should be this one. Anyway, I think so far so good. Yeah. Yeah. Text align. I want it to be in the center. Anyway, that's it for today. I think I'm tired and yeah, I think this one will help. Next time I can just change this one to first number, second number. You can say add, then you bring subtract, and also I can add here, add them, subtract them. Also, there are so many things you can do, but I'm tired, so maybe next time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.